Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Adobe Illustrator and I'm going to show you how to alter a vector image. So I have a vector image of a cat and I'm just going to do a couple things like curl his tail and show you how to do his individual whiskers and things like that to just kind of give you an idea of what we can do within Illustrator to change these images. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to click on our selection tool. And we want to highlight pretty much the entire image. And what that's going to do is it's going to put a box around him. Now these are edges we are confined to. If we try to, say, drag his tail outside of those edges, it's going to cut it off. And I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on him. And the next thing that we're going to do is this push pin. That's what it looks like to me as a push pin. It's actually our puppet warp tool. So let's go ahead and click on that. And as you see, there's a couple of little places that we can click on and move and whatnot. But the first thing I want to show you is this here that says Show Mesh. If you click on that, this is a guide you can use that shows every single thing that you can change on him. If you click on these and you start manipulating it, it's going to change his height, his tail, his paws, his eyes, his whiskers. And this is just a guide, especially if you're new to Illustrator, to kind of help you through what you can and cannot do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this show mesh off. Now, let's say that I want to curl his tail. I'm going to click about right here. And as you see, it puts a circle with the little dot in it, and that shows me that's where I'm working. So as I get outside that boundary, it cuts his tail off. So I need to make sure I stay within here. Now, as I move his tail back and forth, kind of watch what's going on in here and a little bit of his head. It kind of moves with whatever I'm doing with his tail. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop that there. Let's say we want to move his individual whiskers. Grab a whisker. You can put them up, down. Now you have to be careful because if you come over him too far, you'll take out part of your image. Let's go over here. Let's move these a little bit. Let's go ahead and grab this. Let's move his feet in to where it kind of looks like he's getting ready to take off. And that's how you can alter a vector image within Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. And I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.